Another thing that I learned is the importance of reviews. When I first started out, I didn't really take this too seriously, but then I realized that it's very important and it actually matters. So, my recommendation is try to get reviews from clients. It's important to really just ask the client for reviews. All you have to do is just literally ask the client, hey, or tell the client, hey, do you think you could take some time out of your day to leave me some feedback? It'll mean a lot. Um, and most of the time they'll be okay with it if you did a good job. And even just getting like one review is super important for your profile. Like a profile with zero reviews and a profile with one 5-star review, that makes such a big difference. So what I would recommend, start with easy jobs, start with low paying jobs, um, offer a low cost, and then be exceptional at it. And then at the end of the project, ask for a review.